Hello and welcome back to my studio. In this video I'm going to give you 5 important tips for better brushwork and better practice around your color mixing as well. All of these tips are going to help you paint a painting that is more harmonious and pleasing to look at. Alright, let's get into it. Tip 1 is how to hold your brushes. I've spoken about this in a few other videos as well, but it's very important to hold your brush in a loose but firm way. Avoid holding it like a pencil or a pen. You don't want to push down into the paint. You want to hold it firmly. Use the handle as well. The length of the handle is very helpful for a loose style of painting. And here you can move the brush using the wrist or your forearm, holding it lightly but firmly between your thumb and the 4 other fingers on your hand. Practice that until it becomes a habit. Next tip, mix your correct consistency to your paint and do that right in the beginning. Don't try to do this while you're painting. It's not going to work out if your paint is not a loose, buttery consistency. Put a little bit of linseed oil into it, a few drops, and work it in with the painting knife until it is soft and buttery like this. Here's some yellow ochre, really terrible consistency, almost like toothpaste. That's just no good. The brush will not pick it up nicely. Get a few drops of linseed oil in there, work it through very well until it's all creamy and soft and ready to be scooped up on the brush like that. And then you can lay it on to your painting and it just goes on smoothly and easily. It's not wet, it's just soft. Right, relate your brush strokes to the subject. Here we're doing this hill or mountain in the background. The brush strokes following the undulations and the course of the mountain. And that's what you want. Your brush strokes suggest the shape and are in harmony with the shape. They're relating to the subject and there's nothing discordant about it. You're not going against the grain, as a woodworker might say, and it looks a lot better because of it. Apply clean, positive strokes. That just means put down paint like you mean it and confident. Even if you are faking it, just try. You're putting in these sky colors with a large brush, a lot of paint on the brush, and just getting good, strong strokes in. And it creates its own rhythm, its own energy, and the brush strokes look good, the paint looks good. Textures are good as well. Finally, you want unity and consistency and harmony. Here I'm using a painting knife and putting these flat strokes down, and it doesn't look right in relation to the brush strokes all around it. So if you're using a brush, make sure your brush strokes look consistent and there's nothing like a knife stroke that is looking out of place. You can add paint using the knife, but work it correctly with the brush to get a harmonious surface like this. Okay, I hope those 5 tips were helpful to you. Now, if you want to see this entire painting demonstration, I'm going to include that in my course, How to Loosen Up Your Painting. And you can find that on my painting school. If you don't know where that is, why don't you check out the free course for you in the description or up here. It's also on my painting school and you can have a look at Loosen Up Your Painting and see if that is a good fit for you as well. Now there's plenty more coming up. Painting demonstrations, tips, and podcasts as well, all on this YouTube channel. So if you're visiting this and you're not subscribed, now's the time to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Well, happy painting and keep on creating. We'll see you soon. Until then, cheers for now.